everybody here at Taylor Trail Hunter USA. Hey, listen, if you've got a soft top like I do, either Bronco or Jeep, and you are sick and tired of the flapping sound as you're driving down the highway, I've got a product for you. Watch. Hey everybody, welcome to Trail Hunter USA. I've got a new product I'm going to put on today, hopefully. I bought a headliner to put in here. It's kind of somewhat maybe overlanding rig build, but it's something I needed. I think the headliner, what it's supposed to do is number one, cut down on the noise from the flapping of the roof from the soft top, and also it's supposed to help during cold weather keep your vehicle heated. So we'll see what happens. Here it is. I just took it out of the box. It's from Dirty Dog, and it comes with the headliner. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a gift. How about that? You can see I ordered it Christmas. It says Merry Christmas. And then the instructions. So we'll see about putting this together. Shouldn't be too difficult. First of all, we'll see what the gift is. Looks like maybe a trash bag or something. Not sure, but I believe that's what that is. It's got the MOLLE attachments. You can use it to, I guess, store anything. Trash, that's nice. From Dirty Dog. I like it when they have a QR code to scan to watch a video on how to put it together. Okay, it's a pretty killer video to watch to install this, but you have to fold the soft top all the way back, take the windows off and everything. So I'm going to have to take my rack off, which is not hard. Just these screws, take them out and pull it off. But for time's sake, it's getting late here, and I will probably finish this up tomorrow in my garage. So, okay, got it in my garage, got the top all the way back off, took the rack off, which, by the way, I love you guys know how much I love my roof rack. It's so easy to take off. I'm not going to go through the whole installation process for this cover. It's really easy, and the instructions that they have, you just scan the QR code and it goes to a YouTube video where they have a very detailed, probably some of the best instructions I've ever had for anything. Very detailed, so there's no need for me to go through it with you. But basically, you take it off and you put these clips. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. These clips along the edges on both sides, and then you just attach the headliner. I'm going to attach it now. Okay, this is probably the hardest thing about this whole thing. The back of this, there's a flap that goes around the back row bar, and you have to zip it up. And the instructions he was showing them doing it from the inside. You spread this out across the Bronco, and then he went on the inside to get the zipper connected. But I tried and tried, so I came up on top, up here, pulled the thing around where I could get to it, and I've got the zipper started. Now all I have to do is zip it the rest of the way up over here. Okay, here it is installed on the top. Only thing I want to add is you want to make sure up here that it's underneath those, because that's how you're going to lock down the top. But I'm going to take this out. I don't know if I'm going to drive it tomorrow or not, but when I do, I'll finish up this video and let you know how I did. Alright, we're out on the road testing Dirty Dog 4x4 headliner. There is absolutely no flapping noise from the soft top, and it's nice and cozy in here. I don't feel like there's the heaters working overtime to heat the truck Bronco. I don't know if they advertise it or not, but there is a noise reduction as well, so I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, everybody, we've been out, we've tested the Dirty Dog 4x4 headliner, and my initial thoughts on it, it did really well. They made this headliner to keep the cold out and the heat in the vehicle. They're a company up in Canada, but there's some other benefits from this headliner, and one big for me, as you've seen in the video and I've probably already talked about several times, is it cuts down on that noise from the flapping of your soft top. Every now and then I would hear mine flapping, but it was just real light if I did. So that was one of the benefits I wanted from it, and it worked out really well. And it did retain the heat from my vehicle. It's not that cold here today, but I felt like it was a little more comfortable in there on a lower heat setting than I normally run. And the other thing is total noise reduction from the tires and everything. It helped out a little bit with that, I think. So overall, I'm really happy with it. I have no connection with them, no affiliate link or nothing like that. So this is just an unbiased report. I'd heard about this and decided I was going to try one out. I'm going to put a link in the description that'll go straight to this. So this is for Broncos or Jeeps. So if you've got a soft top, it's going to work out for you. I'll put a link for you to go to this product. It'll be easier probably. And then also I'll have a link to their contact info. If you do decide to get one, just let them know Trail Hunter USA sent you. And so that way they'll know that I'm doing a video here for them free of charge. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys on the trails.